Well, a very good afternoon to you and welcome to the world of business. I'm Nokip Kimboy. We start with the shilling. Kenya's shilling is holding steady against major global currencies with only slight movement, signaling a cautiously stable forex market. The shilling remained unchanged against the US dollar at 129 shillings and 27 cents for a second straight day, pointing to a balanced demand and supply in the market. However, it weakened marginally against the British pound, slipping to 174 shillings and 70 cents from 174 shillings and 68 cents, reflecting continued strength in the UK currency. Against the euro, the shilling posted a modest gain, strengthening to 151 shillings and 36 cents from 151 shillings and 54 cents, while it remained flat against the South African rand at 7 shillings and 86 cents.